आरम्भं करोतु महोदय।
ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।
धन्यवादः महोदय, उत्तममस्ति। अस्तु, so I want to ask, I received some feedback about the test. I want to find out how everybody felt, if you have already taken it. So some people may not have taken it, so don't go into the specific question, but give me your feedback.
Mahodaya, this usually takes, we have done three already. So it takes 20 to 25 minutes, but this took 55 minutes for me to complete one. It was lengthy, so to say, but you have given 1 hour, so I could finish it in 1 hour.
That's I received that feedback from several people. Sudha Mahoday, you had some details.
It was quite interesting and challenging.
Challenging, okay.
Quite challenging. Nice paper, Mahodaya.
Even I feel paper was nice, but too much of things to remember. So last minute that va, tha, tha and all started getting mixed up. But
even I thought it was very nice too.
Paper was good.
Yeah, paper was very good.
One thing I realized is continuous practice is required. This last minute.
Satyam. And that is why
their paper was good. I just finished.
I too just finished, uploaded.
I just finished. It took only 50 minutes.
1550.
50.
50.
Question paper was good. Answer paper we will see.
No, towards the end I found time was running short, so the fill in the blanks I wrote only the answer. I didn't write the sentence.
That's fine. Hemanti Mahodaya, Swagatam. Punaha Swagatam. How are you?
I'm doing good. Trying to get back to normal.
Okay.
I'm starting a modified activity at work. Starting yesterday, I have started. So hopefully things will go better. I'm still walking with a boot and everything, so still not very mobile as I used to be, but it's better. Yeah.
Okay, good. And how did you find the exam? The test?
Yeah, I found it, it's pretty interesting too. I finished it in time. We'll see how the paper shows. There are some, you do need to memorize some of the stuff, but yeah. I think, it was very nice paper. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And that's why we gave somewhat lengthy homework sometimes. It's not to torture you, but to help you practice it so that you don't sit down in front of the book and start memorizing things. That's the only reason why sometimes homeworks are lengthy. Astu. Any other feedback from anybody else? Madhuri Mahodaya, Sandeep Mahodaya, you are back after a while.
I was about to say that homeworks were of great help.
Yes, they are.
Because we are able to memorize a lot of things even without without knowing that we are memorizing.
That's correct. Yeah.
As we are writing, we just recall that all those what we have written.
Yeah. Some of the questions were tricky too, Mahodaya. Very tricky.
Tricky va.
Very tricky.
Really? Okay, I didn't expect that. I thought
maybe you expected it to be very straightforward. It was very tricky for me. Some 1 or 2 questions I think.
Mahodaya must be regarding vibhaktis. I think as they move forward, they'll find it easy.
Okay.
Because even we used to feel that few months back, but now since we moved a little bit forward, no, we are able to understand better like how you feel better when you go to first standard, you feel the LKG syllabus very easy like that.
Today,
I think translating into English gave a different meaning, like when doing the vibhaktis exercise. So it was confusing a little bit.
That's why.
Especially the dadati, like we try to say to him or to her, then it becomes confusing. Then actually we have to do something else.
That's why don't translate it into English. You started a little bit late with us, but that was my message from day one. Don't, even though we are using English as a medium of instruction, don't use English.
Aham na using translating.
Uttama Mahoday. Tadaiva karaniyam.
I don't know why, but I don't know why, but I'm not doing that.
Hindi bhashayam chintayati va?
Gujarati bhashayam, or Gujarati bhashayam.
Astu. Tathaiva karaniyam. Madhuri Mahoday, welcome back. Katham asti?
Namaskar, Bhanu Mahoday.
Namaskar, Sandeep.
I've been, I think, just caught up with a few things. So I have to catch up on the past classes and homework. Then I'll attempt the paper. So I haven't seen the paper. I'll do it honestly, but I'll do it later. Because like everyone is saying, homework is very important first. So I want to do that.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's very easy.
Very easy.
Once do the homework and then take the exam. It's very easy.
Same here, Bhanu Mahoday.
Attempt it when you are ready.
Yes.
If there is nothing else on this, let us talk about our Pravesha exam. Chaitra Mahoday, how many applications have you received so far?
I have received around 5, Mahodaya.
Okay.
5, but I guess some couple of, one person is yet to, especially people who are residing abroad, they are required to give an Indian address and phone number too. So I'm yet to get back that response from one person. But otherwise, yes, we have received totally 5. That's excluding Viraj and myself. So we are yet to, so if we include Viraj and I, so we are yet to fill the form. So it would be 7. So,
yeah, I have to also fill up.
I'm also, I'll also be interested in this thing. But I'm just, what is the last date for submission of this
September 4th.
Form?
September
4th.
So tonight I will submit.
Can I do it tomorrow?
Yeah. September 4th. Paryantam kadapi karotu.
Yeah.
I will also do, Mahoday.
Please. Astu Kavita Mahoday. So I encourage all of you to write the exam. So I'm not saying this to flatter you or make you, I'm not saying false words. In my role, I should not tell untruth. So take what I'm saying as the truth. Okay. I cannot tell a lie. You all know what the punishment for that is. The Pravesha exam will be far easy compared to our homework and our revision. Far easy. You all will score 90 plus. I'm confident of that. The only question is whether you'll get 95 or 98 or 100. That is the only challenge here. You will all pass the exam. You'll all get 90 plus. That is 100% sure. I have no doubt about it.
I cleared it.
Mahodaya.
I cleared it. I got 92.
Mahodaya.
Usha Mahoday.
What do I do for an Indian address? I don't have one. What do I do for an Indian address if I don't have one?
You give one of our address, no? It's okay.
give yours.
Yeah, give me, no problem. Only thing is that book will come here. Book, how to send it to you is the only question.
No, it's not the book. I think the books ask will take they'll take upon the responsibility. It's more about the certificate. Once we clear the exam, that will be shipped to local address. That's what I got to know.
That also we'll ship it. We'll send it. No problem.
So Vijay Menon's address.
Okay. Thank you.
Satyam. So what we did in the past was one, just like Vijay Menon Mahodaya, somebody volunteered, and all the people who were abroad gave that person's address, and the books and the certificate were mailed to that person, and that person took the responsibility of mailing everything to abroad.
Even I can give you addresses and they can send me.
Bhanu Mahodaya, in the form, it is asked that do you want a book or not?
Yeah. So I also have the book, so I can say no.
Yeah. If you don't want the book, you can say no.
Yeah, because I already separately applied and got the book. And my exam was on 29th. I didn't appear. I thought I'll appear with the group.
Bhanu Mahodaya, I have the old book. That's okay. My book is 2010.
Oh, no. You need a newer one.
Oh, you think so?
Is this the one?
The butterfly one.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is one.
Oh, no.
No. So you need the new book because the katha and slokas and all of those.
Vijay Mahodaya, I think you will have to, because Vijay Mahodaya registered for August, didn't write the exam for February. I think you have to re-register. I think there's a re-registration fee of 100 rupees.
No, Mahodaya, don't worry about all of that. All of us are doing through Arsha Seva Kendra. So please send your application to Chaitra Mahodaya. She will take care of everything else for you. All you have to do is give your name and phone number and address. There is a form. She sent the link in the email. Download that form, fill it out, and email it back to her. Email the filled out form back to her. That's all you have to do.
We'll do that.
It's very easy.
Mahodaya, in that form, it was written English or Tamil. No other language is available.
So there are some questions that you have to answer only in Sanskritam, and for other questions you have a choice. This one is being conducted by Dakshina Tamil Nadu Samskrita Bharati. So they are permitting Tamil in addition to English. If you take it through Karnataka, they will allow Kannada and English like that. English bhasha
for us, English is better, no? All of us are doing the sessions in English only.
Yeah, correct.
Kavita Mahodaya, which other language you wanted to write?
I know Telugu, sir. I know Telugu only.
Angla bhashayam, Samskrita bhashayam, Angla bhashayam va likhate.
Oh.
Bhanu Mahodaya, one question. We'll have to print out this form, fill it up, and then take a PDF and send it to you back.
Not to me.
To Chaitra Mahodaya.
Chaitra Mahodaya.
You can download the form and fill it online also, I think.
Yes. And I couldn't try. I did try, but I couldn't. I don't know how.
It doesn't let you do it, Mahodaya. You have to print. I printed out. So.
I filled it online.
You filled it online. That's what I thought. You could fill it online. That's what I thought.
I think if one has an editor, then they could do it. Like a PDF editor or something like that. Otherwise, one may have to download and...
No. Word document api asti khalu?
Word document appears in the form of an image, Mahodaya. I tried doing that, but it comes in the form of an image.
And it's not a Word document.
Yeah. It's actually JPG.
No, then
Can you please, Chaitra Mahodaya, can you please check with Akila Mahodaya if there is a Word version available? It may make a lot of...
Well, Akila Mahodaya, she had sent a mail regarding the same, where she has asked all the students to kind of download and then take a printout and all that stuff. She has recently sent a mail to the, I think all the three Lata, Malati and Sasyam groups.
I helped her draft that email. I know. So in that, there were two options: to download, print and write it by hand, or fill it online, download and fill it online. So that is why I thought you could do it online also.
Actually, that form, Mahodaya, it looks like, you know, as though people have taken a photo of the actual form of Samskrita Bharati exam and they have shared it. It looks like that, the photo.
Bala Mahodaya, how did you print it, Mahodaya?
I used a PDF editor.
You used a PDF editor. Okay.
Mahodaya, I tried to convert to your Word and or text, I mean, rich text.
There are some small, I think small PDF, and there are some sites which allow you to edit PDF. Smallpdf.com.
Okay, I will look at it and I will share. But the important thing is, I request all of you to write the exam. It's easy. You've already spent so much time from November of last year. You've gone through the pain of doing the homework regularly and the revision tests and all of that. It should be very easy for everybody. So I encourage you, I request you, I pray that you all take the revision test, the Pravesha exam. You'll all score very well.
Mahodaya, we got this, you know, the copies of the textbook or something on through the mail. Is it not enough?
I posted the link in the Signal group, Mahodaya.
No, you know, in the email, Chaitra Mahodaya has sent that books of the...
No, that was in the Signal group, not in the email. I sent the link of soft copies. Yeah, in the Signal group, I had shared it on 25th of August.
Is it enough? Is it not enough?
It is not enough. What do you mean by that?
For the exams.
Yeah, that is enough. So you can say no to the textbook if you don't want.
Yeah. Okay.
And Bhagya Mahodaya, you have the right one. You have the correct book.
Oh, okay, Mahodaya. Dhanyavada.
The one with the butterfly and the flower. That's the one.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste, Lakshmi Mahodaya. Astu, any other?
Namaste. I was just looking at the Mudranam for the last year, what I got. The Pravesha book, it is 2019, it says. So
it's correct. It's the right version.
Okay.
You on the cover you have a butterfly and a flower, right? That's the one.
But Bhagya Mahodaya said 2015.
See, as long as you have a flower and a butterfly, that's the book you want.
Mahodaya, this is the book.
Or print a flower and a butterfly.
Yeah, I'm showing this. This is Pravesha book.
Yeah. That's it. Astu, so September 4th, we have 4 more days. So please fill out the application and send it out to Chaitra Mahodaya. Jay Kumar Mahodaya has made this process extraordinarily simple. You just have to provide your name, your email address, and phone number. Send it to Chaitra Mahodaya. And Arsha Seva Kendram will take care of registering, getting the book, paying the fees, and everything else associated with taking an exam. So the course we have been doing since November, the application process is easy. You cannot find a easier way of learning and writing an exam. So please make full use of this golden opportunity.
It's called spoon feeding.
Spoon feeding. So the other thing is when you are doing
that golden spoon.
When you are doing it with a group, you'll go in the momentum and you'll finish it off. When you have to do it by alone, you have to have a lot of willpower to do it. and you'll always find excuses. Oh, this happened, that happened. So please take the exam. And if you have any questions, please ask either Chaitra Mahodaya or me. There are few more topics in Vyakarana that we have to study. We will study those in the next few weeks. And after that, we will spend at least 2 months studying exclusively for the Pravesha exam. We will go to the exam extremely well prepared. So do not worry about whether you'll be ready or not. You'll be more than ready. You are already more than ready. Whatever topics are remaining, we will study for the exam in the last couple of months. Astu, prashnaः सन्ति वा?
महोदय, ह्यः आवां परिचय परीक्षाम् आलिकावः.
ओ, उत्तमं. कथम् आसीत्?
सुलभम् अस्ति. सुलभम् आसीत्.
अहमपि लिखितवती महोदय.
परिचय वा?
परिचयानन्तरं सुरसरस्वती भारत्याः प्रथमा परीक्षा अपि लिखितवती.
कथम् आसीत्?
अति सुलभम् आसीत्.
सुलभमेव. रामु महोदय, how was the Pravesha exam?
Simple.
Very simple. Okay.
And SSS Prathama also was simple.
Okay.
Manjula Mahodaya bhi.
अहमेव
लिखितवती.
Manjula Mahodaya अपि लिखितवती. Pravesha.
How was Pravesha, Manjula Mahodaya?
Simple. Simple.
So homework
because of the homework and your teaching, sir.
So homework was tougher than Pravesha, right?
Yes. Very tough.
It's not tough, but some exercises are lengthy. That's all.
Rigor.
Yeah. Only in the SSS you have to remember all the slogas and shabdas.
Let's limit the conversation to Pravesha. So
I wrote in Kannada.
February मासे आवां शिक्षा परीक्षां लेखिष्यामः.
Oh, uttamam. So now you have heard from 5 or 6 of your classmates. The common answer is easy. So please write the Pravesha exam in January. Astu, यदि प्रश्नः.
भानु महोदय, मम एक प्रश्न अस्ति.
पृच्छतु.
सस्यं 4 लता 3 च वर्गौ कदा आरम्भः भविष्यतः? Actually, some of my acquaintances were inquiring, अतः approacham.
प्रायः जनवरी मासे वा फेब्रुवरी मासे वा परीक्षानन्तरं. प्रवेश परीक्षानन्तरम्.
अस्तु महोदय, धन्यवादः.
अस्तु, अन्ये प्रश्नाः न सन्ति चेत् वयम् अग्रे सरामः. We will go back to Vibhakti. We have studied the first 4 Vibhaktis. Let us finish the remaining 3. I mean, we already studied it. We are refining our knowledge and studying about where, in what different situation each Vibhakti is used. Sri Vidya Mahodaya. Rama Shabda. Can you please say the Vibhakti table for Rama Shabda? Sarve. Prathama Vibhakti Arabhya. Ramah, Ramau, Ramah.
Ramah, Ramam, Ramau, Raha. Rame, Ramam, Rame, Rama.
Ramam, Ramau, Ramam, Ramau, Rama.
Ramam, Ramau, Ramana. Ramena, Ramabham, Ramaihi.
Ramabhyam.
Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha. Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah.
So Dvivachana will be common for Tritiya Vibhakti,
Chaturthi Vibhakti and Panchami Vibhakti. Okay.
Uttama. Lakshmi Mahodaya. Sita Shabda.
Sita, Site, Sitaha. He Site, He Site, He Sitaha. Okay, Sambodhana. Sitam, Site, Sitaha. Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabhihi. Then Sitayai, Sitabhyam, Sitabhihi. Sitayaha, Sitabhyam, Sitabhihi. Sitayaha, Sitayoho, Sitanam. 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 Sitayoho, Sitasu.
Sitayam. Like
Sitayam, Sitayoho, Sitasu.
Sitasu. There again, the Madhyama Dvivachana is the same for Tritiya, Chaturthi.
Dvivachana, Bahuvachana api.
Bahuvachana api is the same for Chaturthi and Panchami.
Panchami. And Panchami and Shashti, Prathama Vibhakti is also same. Sitayaha, Sitayaha.
We will highlight that point when we study Shashti Vibhakti. But Satya. Who wants to do Nadi Shabda? Madhuri Mahodaya. What?
Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha. Nadim, Nadyo, Nadihi.
Nadim, Dirgha, Nadim. Nadim.
Okay.
Dvivachana, Ditya Vibhakti Ekavachana.
Nadim, Nadyo, Nadihi. Nadya, Nadibhyam, Nadibhihi. Nadye, Nadibhyam, Nadibhyaha. Nadyaha, Nadibhyam, Nadibhyaha. Again.
Uttamam.
Nadyaha, then Nadibhyam.
We haven't studied.
Sorry. Nadyaha, Nadyoho. Nadinam. Then Saptami will be Nadyam, Nadyoho, Nadishu.
Nadishu. Uttamam. Last one. Phala. Napumsakalinga. Who wants to do?
I'll do it. Phalam phale phalani. Phalam phale phalani. Phalam phale phalani. Phalein phalabhyam. Phalai.
One second. Phala, not phala. Phala.
Phala. Like I make this. Okay. Phala. Phalam phale phalani. Phalam phale phalani. Phalein phalabhyam. Phalai. Phalai. Phalabhyam. Phalebhyai.
No.
Phalebhyai.
No. Tritiya Vibhakti.
Phalein. Phalabhyam.
Phalena. Just like Ramena.
Can I say Phalein? Because saying Phalein is confusing me.
But okay. So one way to remember is
Phalein, Phalabhyam, Phalein.
One second. For Napumsakalinga, everything after so Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, it's the same as Pumlinga. So that's an easy way to remember. Yes. So Tritiya Vibhakti is Phalena, not Phalima.
No, I said earlier I was repeating again the second one.
Astu. What is
it? So should I start with the Chaturthi or?
Start with Tritiya, please.
Chaturthiyam.
Tritiya.
Tritiya. Phalen.
Phalena.
Phalabhyam.
No. Phalanta.
Phalena.
Phalena.
Phalena. Phalabhyam. Oh, Phalabhyam. Phalai. Phalabhyam. Phalebhyah. Phalat. Phalebhyam. Phalebhyah. Then it's Phalasya. Phalyo. Phalanam. Phale. Phalyo. Phaleshu. Phaleshu.
Uttamam. Please pay attention to the pronunciation also. If there is a visarga, you have to say the visarga. If there is no halanta, then you cannot break it. You have to break the sound only if there is a halanta. That's a difference from Hindi. Hindi, even if there is no halanta, depending on where it appears, we use halanta sound. We cut the sound short, but in Sanskrita, unless there is a halanta, you cannot. You have to say the full sound. Matra will be there, the whole matra. Astu. Uttamam. So what is Panchami Vibhakti used for? What have we learned? What does it denote?
Separation.
From. Separation. From. Separation. So, phalam vrukshat patati. So the fruit falls from the tree. So Angla Bhashan from asti, but the logic is it is getting separated from the tree. So Panchami Vibhakti denotes a point of separation. Lokayanam Bengaluru Nagarat agacchati. From Bengaluru Nagaram, the bus is coming. So it is getting separated from Bangalore. I mean, that is how it is denoted. But yeah, it is basically from. So that is what we learned. Uttamam. So in technical terms, that is called apadanam. We don't need to remember that, but it is apadanam. I think in Hindi also it is called apadan, if I remember correctly. So let's go to Vibhakti Vallari, page number 40. Sudha Mahoday, Arambham Karoti. Please start from the beginning.
Panchami Vibhagaha Yada Bhavati Tadha Yaha Avadhi Bhutaha Bhavati Tasya Panchami Vibhaktihi Bhavati. Udaharana.
Arthaha kaha?
Yada bhavati. Vibhagaha yada bhavati tada yaha avadhi bhutaha bhavati. Bhagaha. Where there is a separation. Vibhagaha yada bhavati. Where yada is wherever it is.
Where na? Yada, when.
When. Okay.
Yada hi dharmasya.
Right. Wherever there is a separation, bhavati is there present. Tada, there, yaha avadhi bhutaha bhavati. Avadhi bhutaha bhavati.
From where the separation is happening.
Right.
So
bhavati tasya, that is where Panchami Vibhakti bhavati.
Of it. Tasya Shashti Vibhakti of it.
Of it.
So what it is saying is, whenever there is a separation, that from which the separation is happening, that is in the Panchami Vibhakti. So Bengaluru Taha Lokayanam agacchati. So the bus is coming from Bengaluru. The point of separation is Bengaluru. Vrukshat phalam patati. So phalam is not in Panchami Vibhakti. It is getting separated from the tree. So where it is getting separated from, that is in Panchami Vibhakti. So that is what this point is saying. Spashtam va? Any doubt? So that from which a separation happens, that is in Panchami Vibhakti. Udaharanam patatu Mahoday.
Vrukshat parnam patati.
So Vrukshat,
the leaf falls from the tree.
From the tree. So the leaf is getting separated from the tree. So the tree is in Panchami Vibhakti, not the leaf. So leaf is still in Prathama Vibhakti. So that from which the separation happens, that is in Panchami Vibhakti. That is the point. Spashtamba? Sri Vidya Mahoday. Read the next.
In that, the Parnam will be in the second Vibhakti, no?
Napumsakalingam shabdamasti Mahoday. Tatra kriya padam kimasti?
Patati, okay. Yeah, sorry.
Astu. Sri Vidya Mahoday. Brackets
Panchamyarthe dash taha iti prayogaha sharalaha. Taha tas ityetat avyayam. Ataha sarveshu lingeshu tasya samanam rupam.
Anybody wants to attempt what they are trying to say?
Is it that?
Yes, I will try, Mahodaya. Shall I try?
Ma'am.
Panchamyarthe, in Panchami, taha iti prayogaha saralaha. Taha is easy to use than vrikshat, that form. Because taha is from tas, that is, it is an avyaya which does not change with respect to, in all kala, linga, vachana, it is the same.
Kala mastu. We made the mistake last time also. Avyaya has nothing to do with kala. Avyaya is a nama pada. So linga, vachana, vibhakti only.
Linga, vachana, vibhakti, correct. Ataha sarveshu lingeshu tasya samanam rupam. In all lingas, it has the same form.
Satya. So for Pumlinga, the form that we learned is Ramat and Sitayaha, Nadyaha, Palat. So there are different endings depending on the linga. So what this is saying is, instead there is a different form called Saha. So instead of saying Ramat, we can also say Ramataha. And for Sita, we can say Sitataha. For Nadi, we can say Naditaha. Phala, Phalataha. So since we are able to use the same ending in all lingas, and it is a avyaya. So avyaya is that which does not change across linga, vachana, vibhakti. So instead of remembering Ramat, Phalat, Sitayaha, Nadyaha, etc., you can also use the alternate form where you just use the taha ending for along with the pratipadikam. Rama, taha, Sita, taha, Nadi, taha, Phala, taha.
Mahodaya, ek prashnam pruchami.
Na pruchatu.
Kimartam sarve kalaha upayujya na shakyate?
So kala is limited, is for kriya padani, right? Kriya padani.
Kala for kriya padani, but then if you are using it in bhutakala or bhavishyat kala, the taha remains the same, right?
Taha is used for Namapada. You are not using it for Lakara.
Okay. I meant, okay. That's what is. What I thought was Avyayanis can be used across even for Bhuta and Bhavishyat Kala as Avyaya itself. It remains as Avyaya itself.
No. That's okay. So I understand the confusion. The primary point here to remember is Avyayas are Namapadas. So it's like saying Ramaha is the same across Kalas. And so Rama is a Kriya Padam. It's not like that, right? Ramaha vanam gacchati, Ramaha vanam gatavan, Ramaha vanam gamishyati. So Rama is the same across all Kalas there. But we are not saying Rama is an Avyaya or it does not change across Kalas, so that's why it is a sum. It's not like that. Rama is just a Karta there. Yeah. So Rama remains the same across Bhuta, Bhavishyat, Vartamana. Rama. So it's not like that. So Taha is also like that. It is a Namapada. Any Avyaya is a Namapada. Yes, its form does not change across Kalas, but the fact that it is a Namapada does not change. Is that clear, Mahodaya?
Astu Mahodaya.
Banu Mahodaya, maybe like in the Kriyapada we learned that Tumun, then all this, right? So they remain same in Bhuta and Bhavishyat and all the Kalas. So there are Kriyapadas which remain same. I think
they are Kridantas. They are not Kriyapadas.
I know, but I think the question was some Kriyapada also remain similar.
No, Kridanta is Namapada.
No, I'm getting, but trying to answer to whether that was the reason or.
Yeah. There was. I was just thinking like Kala. Probably when they have said it is with respect to it is not a Kriyapadam. That is clear. It is not a Kriyapadam. It is a Namapadam. So Namapadam will be, and especially it is a Avyayam. That is why it will not change across lingas. It cannot be called as a verb because it's not a verb. So that's what you are trying to clear. That's what you are trying to say. What I got confused was it doesn't change with any form like Bhutakala, Bhavishyat Kala, it remains the same. So why only Linga is mentioned? Why can't we say Kala also? That's what my confusion was. It's clear, Mahodaya. It's clear.
Just like Rama doesn't Bhuta, Bhavishyat, Vartamana, yes. And that's why we cannot call it Kriya Padam. It's the same for Avyaya also. So
one question on this. So, how about Vachana? Would Taha change with Vachana?
No. Avyaya means it will not change across Vachana or Vibhakti.
Okay. Linga and
Vachana. So, instead of saying Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha, it will be the Ramataha only Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana. It will be whether it is from one Rama, from two Ramas or many Ramas, it will remain Ramataha, Sitataha, Naditaha, Phalataha. So that is why it is easy to use that form. That is what it is saying. Spashtam va? Sandeep Mahodaya, Abhyasaha Prathamaha, read that please.
Okay. Abhyasa Govindasya Gruhe Kanchana Karyakramah Asit. Kaschana Karyakramah Asit. Karyakramartham Vibhinna Sthalebhya Vibhinnaha Janaha Agataha. Kaha Kutaha Agatavan iti Adha Nirdishtam Asti. Tadadharena Vakyani Rachyat. Rachayata.
So what is it saying?
It's basically saying just like the above examples, tada dharena vakyani rachayata, below do the sentences like we have done above as examples.
Govindasya gruhe kaschana karyakrama asit. So there is some program in Govinda's house. So for that, from different places, vidhinna sthalebhyah, sthalebhyah, kim vibhakti asti sthalebhyah.
This is bahuvachana panchami vibhakti, from vibhinna different places.
Sthalebhyah.
And vibhinnaha means different janaha, different people. Bahuvachan of just
Satyam. Anantaram, next sentence. Kaha putaha agatava. Putaha.
I will do it.
From where?
From where?
Kim shabda panchami vibhakti ekavachana. Putaha. From where? Who is coming from where is written below. So using that, using the table, we have to form the sentences. Read the first example given.
Okay. Mysooratah Matulah Agatavan. From Mysore, Matulah is coming. Came.
Mysurutaha. So we studied in the previous sentence, we can use taha because it will be easy. Right? So Mysuru, ukaranta shabdaha. So instead of remembering what is the panchami ekavachana for ukaranta shabda, we just suffix the taha. It's easy. Now you don't have to remember another form. Astu, uttamam. Bhavani Mahoday, Anantaram, Kashi.
Kashitaha Anujaha Agatavan.
Uttamam. Arthaha?
Anujaha is brother. So
younger
brother comes from Kashi.
From Kashi, younger brother.
From Kashi, yeah.
Came,
Agatavan, came, had come, Bhutakala.
So if it was the regular Panchami, it would have been Kashyai, right?
Kashyai is Chaturthi. Kashyaha.
Oh, Kashyaha.
Ikaranta Strilinga, Kashi, Nadi, like that.
Kash.
What will be here? Like, because it will it not be like Nadi? Or...
So that is what they are saying. Nadyaha. So it can be like Nadyaha or Naditaha. So Kashyaha or Kashitaha. That is what they are saying. Pashtama Prashant Mahodaya?
Can you like explain a little bit more? Like both, like the Panchami form is Nadyaha.
Nadyaha, correct. So what they are saying is, if you use the Taha ending, it is equivalent to Panchami Vibhakti, but the Taha can be used for Pumlinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. It's the same Taha.
Okay.
Kashi is a Ikaranta Strilinga, but you can use Kashyaha or you can say Kashitaha. Nadyaha or Naditaha. From Nadi, from Kashi.
Now it's clear. Dhanyawad Mahoday.
Hemanti Mahoday, Anantaram.
Kedarataha Snehitaha Agatvan. So from Kedar, relatives came.
Friends, Snehitaha.
Friends, oh, friends, Snehitaha, friends, okay. Friends came.
So if you look at these endings, Mysuru, Ukaranta, we don't know the Linga. Prayaha Punlinga, I don't know. Kashi, Ikaranta Strilinga. Kedara, Akaranta, Prayaha Punlinga. And then if you look at Madras, it's another ending, sakaranta. So instead of remembering the Panchami Ekavachana forms for all of these or any Vachana form, you can use Saha. It will be the same. So that is the whole point of this abhyasa. Spashtam Prashna?
What will be for Madras? Madrasataha?
Madrasaha.
Exactly.
Madras as it is.
So the sa will be half, right? We don't write the full sa because it's halant is there.
Correct. So we'll do the remaining for homework. Let's move on to the next page, Roman numeral 2. Vijay Menon Mahodaya, Pathati.
The next homework, huh? Okay. Sorry, next page.
Next page, Roman numeral 2.
Govindasya grihasya karyakramartham vividha stanatah vividhani vastuni anitani kasmat kasmat kim anitam iti adha nirdishtam iti adha nirdishtam asti tada dharena vakyani rachayata.
So for the program in Govinda's house, Vividha Sthanataha. Kim vibhakti asti tatra? Sthanataha.
Is Panchami only, no?
Panchami Ekavachana. Here, in the previous sentence, we saw Vibhinna Sthalebhyaha. Panchami Bahuvachana. Sthalebhyaha. Hello. Atra Vividha Sthanataha. From different places, different items were procured. So we have to form sentences based on that. Prathamam Pathati.
Apanataha tandulaha anitaha.
Artham janati va?
Shop apanataha, from the shop. Tandulaha.
Rice.
Rice, okay. Rice anitaha.
Was brought or was brought?
Was brought, okay. Rice was brought.
Nayati ni dhatu anitaha. We will study that form. Don't worry about it. Was brought. So from the shop, the rice was brought. So apanataha, from the shop. Again, instead of worrying about the different endings and the different vibhakti forms of Panchami, they are using taha. So that is the point of this exercise. Madhuri Mahodaya.
वित्तकोशतः धनम् आनीताः.
Vittam ityukte vittam.
Sorry?
Vittam. Vitta.
Vittam?
Dhana. Vitta.
Bank, is it? Bank, no?
Bank.
So from the bank, money was brought.
Money is brought.
Was brought. Lakshmi Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, Vittakoshatah dhanam anitam.
Anitam va? Dhanam anitam va?
Dhanam anitam. Anitaha, is it correct? or anitam is correct?
Anitam.
I thought it is anitam.
Dhanam anitam.
Atra karma padam nasti.
It will depend on the karta, na? Whether
Karta is dhanam.
Dhanam is not the karta.
So dhanam, no, it is a karmani prayoga.
It's dhanam anitam. That's what I feel.
Dhanam anitam asti. Prayaha.
Jalagaram taha jalam anitam. Even there itself, the last two. Kshira kendram taha kshiram anitam. I think it should follow the same thing. I don't know. This is what I feel, Mahodaya.
Dhanam is anitam only because it is
That's why I said it's anitam. Anitaha is not there.
It
should follow the same thing.
But the vachana of the kriyapada depends on the vachana of the karta, right? Not of the karma pada.
This is a different form.
Acha, I don't know this.
That's why Banu Mahodaya said was brought.
What brought?
Astu.
Mahodaya, Chaturtha Udhyanam Nani Ani Tani.
Yeah, many plural tani it becomes. Correct.
Astu. Let us skip this exercise because it is karmani prayoga. We will study this next year. Let us skip this exercise. But the point is Panchami vibhakti they are using taha. These are all in karmani prayoga, passive voice. We haven't studied that. We will study next year. Uttamam, good point, Mahodaya.
Mahodaya, we can use agatavan and we can complete it, right? Agatavati. I mean anitavati, anitavan.
Astu. Evam
that we can do, Mahodaya.
Astu. Evam kurmaha.
Sorry to disturb, Mahodaya. Sorry.
No. This is an interactive class. So what you said is correct. I shouldn't teach the wrong thing. Uttama. Vittakoshataha dhanam anitavan. Let us use anitavan or anitavati. Let us make it a normal prayoga. Astu. Dhanyavadaha. Rohini Mahodaya. Next one.
Vipaditaha Sakaha Anitaha.
Anitavan or anitavati. Let us use anitavan or anitavati. Artham kim?
The vegetables are brought from the market.
He or she brought the vegetables from Vipani, from the shop. Astu. Sumitra Mahodaya. Anantaram.
Udyanataha Amraparnani Anitavan.
So
from the garden, they bought mango leaves.
He Anitavan ekavati.
He got them.
Astu. Uttama. Evameva, in a similar fashion, do the others for homework. Instead of anitaha, let's use anitavan or anitavati. Astu. Prashnaha santi va? Next one. Usha Mahodaya.
Here also the rule is same. Like it doesn't matter whether it's masculine, feminine, or neutral. It would be with the taha ending.
Pumlinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, Chetapi, Taha, Eva, Upayukyam. Usha Mahodaya. Next one.
Yasmat Bhitihi Bhavati Tasya Adasya Panchami Vibhaktihi Bhavati.
Yasmat.
Wherever is it? Wherever there is Bhitihi, then you have to use the Panchami Vibhakti.
Yasmat. Yad Shabda Panchami Ekavachana. Yasmat. Like Ramat. Yad Shabda. We studied Yad, right? Yaha yav ye, yam yav yan, yena yabhyam yaihi, yasmai yabhyam yedyaha, yasmat, panchami ekavachana. That from which there is a fear. Yasmat bhitihi bhavati. That from which bhitihi is fear. Bhavati is there. That word is in Panchami Vibhakti. That is what it is being said here. Udaharanam patatu. It will become clear.
Vyagrat janaha bhitihi bhavanti.
Bhitaha bhavanti.
Oh, sorry. Bhitaha bhavanti. So the people are afraid, have fear from the tiger.
Vyagrat, from the tiger.
From the tiger.
So the people have become fearful from the tiger. Are fearful from the tiger. So wherever there is a fear, the object that invokes the fear is in Panchami Vibhakti. That is what it is saying. So the object that invokes the fear will be in Panchami Vibhakti. So there, here in this example, Janaha, people is there and Vyagraha is there. So who's afraid of whom? The tiger is afraid of people or people are afraid of tiger? So in this sentence, the people are afraid of the tiger. So tiger is in the Panchami Vibhakti. If we switch it the other way, let us say the tiger is afraid of the people. How would we say the sentence?
Janat Vyagraha Janat. Vyagraha
Vyagraha Janat. Satyam. Janat.
That is the truth.
Janat is ekavachanam. Dvivachanam, bahuvachanam, kim bhavati?
Janabhyam, janebhyaha.
Janabhyam, janebhyaha. Or you can use the taha ending also, right? Vyagraha, janata, janataha.
Yeah, in all instances.
Janataha, it can be ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. So in that example, it will be the tiger is afraid from the people or has fear from the people. So this particular word, bhitihi, so wherever there is a fear, the object that invokes the fear is in Panchami Vibhakti. Spashtam va?
So the word is bhitihi, but in this context, it's bhitaha, is it?
Because it's the janaha who are afraid.
So it changes according to the word it's attached to?
Correct.
Is it a Visheshana?
Visheshana, Vishesha Bhava.
Okay. So maybe that's the reason when there is Bahuvachana of Karta, it is becoming Bhitaha. When it is Aika Vachana, it's becoming Bhitaha.
Bhitihi. Astu. Bhitaha. Astu. Manjula Mahodaya. We will do some examples, it will become clear. Abhyasaha.
Shall I read the next one? Maharajaha Shatruhu.
No.
Mahodaya?
No. After Vyagrahataha, there is an Abhyasaha, right? Read that.
After Vyagra Abhyasaha. Kaha kasmat bhitaha iti adaha nirdishtam asti. Tadadharena vakyani rachayata. Ravanaha Ramaha. Ravanaha Ramataha bhitaha asti.
So
Maharajaha Ravana is scared of Rama.
From Rama, not of Rama, from Rama.
From Rama.
So in the first column, they give who is afraid, and in the second column, the object of the fear is in the second column. So that will change to Panchami Vibhakti.
Okay.
So if you are trying to translate, will it be like Ravana's fear? I mean, Ravana's fear is from Rama.
That's a good way of translating it. Ravana's. Then it will be Ravanasya. It should be Ravanasya, right?
So the fear is Visheshana to Ravana, right?
Fearful. Will be fearful.
Fearful. Fear is Visheshana to Ravana, right?
Is Visheshanam.
Ravana is fearful of
from Rama, of who the object that invokes the fear is in Panchami.
But Mahodaya, Bhitaha is Visheshanam for Ravanaha.
Yes.
That is his feeling, right? So it has to be Visheshya Visheshana is Ravana and Bhita.
Yes.
That is why Bhita is changing
is
as
Visheshanam of Ravanaha.
Satyam. But the object that invokes the fear is the one that is in Panchami Vibhakti.
Okay.
Right.
Mahodaya, the next one I can switch both types. Maharaja Shatruhu Maharajaha Shatrutaha Bhita asti athva Shatrutaha Maharaja Shatruhu Maharajataha Bhita asti.
We can do
I can
both,
switch both. It's nice. Next ones I can't change. Okay.
Dhanyawad. Narayanan Mahodaya. Maharajaha Choraha. Narayanan Mahodaya nasti. Astu. Meera Mahodaya karoti.
Choraha Arakshataha Bhitaha asti.
Choraha Arakshataha Bhitaha asti. So the thief is afraid from the police.
From the policeman.
Whoever is the object invoking the fear, that will be in Panchami. Astu. The remaining things can be done for homework. Kavita Mahodaya. Next page, Roman numeral 3.
Yada rakshanam bhavati tada yasmat rakshanam prapyate tasya panchami vibhaktihi bhavati.
So when there is a rakshana, from whom there is a rakshana or protection, that is in Panchami Vibhakti. Udaharanam, it will become clear.
Devaha apayat mam rakshitavan. God from all apaya means from
danger. Let's say danger.
Rakshitavan. He saves me.
He protected me from danger. So whatever. So whatever the protection is obtained from that object is in Panchami Vibhakti. Devaha apayat mam rakshitavan. God protected me from danger. So whatever we are being protected from, that object from which we obtain protection, that is in Panchami Vibhakti. Clear? So if you look at the first example, Vishnuhu Makarataha Gajendram Rakshitavan. So who is the protector here?
Vishnu.
Whom did he protect?
Gajendra.
So from whom did he protect?
From crocodile.
From Makara. So the object from which the protection is obtained, that is in Panchami. So Vishnu protected the elephant from the crocodile, so the crocodile is Panchami. Kavita Mahodaya, कृपया म्यूट करो तो there is a lot of feedback background. धन्यवाद. Prashant Mahodaya, next one.
Yes, sir. Raja Shatrutah Janah Rakshitvan.
Janaha va?
Janaha.
If you read the first example, Vishnuhu Makarataha Gajendram Rakshitavan. Who is protected there?
Who is
who
Gajendra.
Gajendra. Gajendram, what vibhakti is that?
Second, yes, sir.
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Dvitiya, see.
So Raja.
Then Raja Shatrutah. Jana, it is Janani.
Janan.
Janan.
Janaha bahuvachanam. So Dvitiya vibhakti, it will be Janan.
Janan.
Raja Shatrutah Janan Rakshitavan. Artham kim?
The king protects the people from Shatru
enemy.
Enemy, yes.
So again here he is protecting the people from the enemy. So from whom the protection is obtained, that is in Panchami.
Okay.
We'll do one more. Vijay Sundara Mahodaya. Ramaha. Vijay Sundara Mahodaya अस्ति वा?
Sorry, yeah. I'm here.
Ramaha.
Ravanatah Sitayam Rakshitavan.
Punaha again.
Ramaha Ravanath Sitaya.
Why Sitaya? Why Sitaya? Sitam. Karma padam.
Okay. Sitam.
Whom did he protect? Sita. It will be in Dvitiya vibhakti, right? Sitam. Astu. So we'll do the remaining. Spashtam Mahodaya. Okay. We'll do the remaining for
Mahodaya. The fifth one, Arakshakaha Choraha Janaha. Choraha will be in Bahuvachanam. So Chorebhyaha, no, it won't be Chorataha.
Chorataha. Taha can be used for, it's an avyaya. It can be used for.
So Choraha, the Visarga will remain as it is, or it becomes a Sandhi when you are adding Taha?
Chorataha. So you add Taha to the Pratipadikam.
Okay.
Chora is a Pratipadikam. Akaranta Pumlinga Shabda. Choraha, Chorau, Choraha.
So it will be Chorataha.
Chorataha.
So basically when we use the Taha avyay, then we lose the information around the Vachan, essentially.
Correct.
We have to get it from the context. We lose that information.
Correct. Or you are welcome to use proper vibhakti also. Chorebhyaha. You can get from the context. Please use Chorebhyaha. Otherwise, we will lose practice.
Mahodaya, the next one is also like Kashtani. We should say Kashtam Taha.
Kashtataha. Kashtani. Napumsakalinga. Phalani. So what is the Pratipadikam Phalani?
Kashta.
Phala. So similarly Kashta. So Kashtataha. So add Taha to the Pratipadikam.
Oh, Pratipadikam. Dhanyavad.
Bhagya Mahodaya. Let's do the next one. Number 4. Bahihi.
Bahihi Arabhya Rute Purvam Paraha iti etesham shabdanam prayoge panchami vibhaktihi bhavati.
What are they saying here?
Bahihi Arabhya Rute Purvam Paraha iti esham, all these words Panchami Vibhakti Prayogaha Bhavati.
Bahihi ityukte kim?
Bahihi is Anvaya Mahodaya.
No, what is the meaning?
Outside.
Outside. Bahihi. Outside.
Arabhya, beginning.
Arabhya, beginning. Starting with.
Rute.
Arabhya is the 11th.
Vina, right? Rute means Vina, right?
Except Vina.
Yeah.
Like.
Arabhya is the 11th.
Arambam, Arambat.
I have to look it up now. I don't remember.
Okay.
So whenever the word Purvam, Purvam is
before.
Paraha. Purva.
Afterwards.
So Bahihi, outside, Arabhya, beginning, Rute, without, Purva, before, Paraha, after. So when these 5 words appear, so the word that is associated with these 5 words will be in Panchami Vibhakti. So what does that mean? So let us look at the first example. First, please read the first example.
You want me to read, Mahodaya?
Please.
Saha Gruhataha Bahihi Gatavan. He goes outside the house. I mean, he went outside the house.
Outside from the house.
From the house. Outside from the house. Yes.
From the house. So the word Bahihi here is associated with Gruha, house. So whatever word is associated with either Bahihi, Arabhya, Rute, Purva or Para, that word is in Panchami Vibhakti. So Bahihi in this example is for Gruha, from outside from the house. So the Gruha will be in Panchami Vibhakti. Gruhataha Bahihi Gatavan. He went outside from the house. In English, we will say probably he went outside of the house. But here in Sanskrita, because Bahihi is associated with Gruha, it will be in Panchami Vibhakti. We will do some more.
वह घर से बाहर गया.
Here it is not घर से, घर का बाहर. घर के बाहर गए.
घर के. It's a house. घर से बाहर गया ना.
That is not what they are. घर से बाहर गया is fine, but in this case they are saying घर के बाहर गया.
घर से बाहर. Okay, घर के बाहर गया. Okay.
Next one. Bala Mahodaya.
Guru Vasaratah Arabhya Mama Jwaraha. From Thursday began my fever.
Another way of reading the same thing is starting from Thursday, my fever.
My fever started, whatever.
My fever exists, started, whatever. Starting from Arabhya, So what is associated with Arabhya? Guru Vasara. So starting from Thursday, my fever exists. So wherever we use Bahihi or Arabhya, the word that is associated with that will be in Panchami Vibhakti. Lakshmi Mahoday.
Taha ending.
Taha ending, we can use Taha, or you can use the normal form also. I think in this chapter they are using Taha just to make the examples easy.
Simpler.
Simpler. Lakshmi Mahoday, Anantaram.
Devat Rute Kaha Bhaktam Rakshet. So, without God, who will protect the bhaktas?
Without or unless. We can, another meaning unless. Of Rute is unless. Unless or without God, who will protect
the bhaktas?
So again, the Rute is associated with Deva. So we are using Devat Panchami. Another way of saying the same sentence is you are muted, Mahoday.
Okay, without.
No. Deva. Only the Deva word.
Only Deva.
Devat. Instead of Devat, can you say something else?
Devataha.
Devataha.
Devataha. Rute Kaha Bhaktam Rakshet.
So Devat and Devataha are the same. Sorry, please repeat.
It's the same as saying Vina.
It is meaning wise, it is the same as Vina, but Vina is used with Tritiya Vibhakti. Rute is used with Panchami Vibhakti. That is the difference to note. Meaning is the same. Spashtam va? Ramesh Mahoday, Anantaram.
सायंकालात् पूर्वं भवता आगन्तव्यम्. सायंकालात् पूर्वं, before evening.
I will mute you, Mahodaya. There is a lot of background noise. Kshamyata. Sayankalat purvam bhavata agatavyam. So before the evening, so purvam here is associated with Sayankala. So Sayankala will be in Panchami. So Sayankalat purvam bhavata agatavyam. You must, your arrival must be before the evening. It's a form we haven't studied, so don't worry about the entire sentence. The only thing to take away from here is Purvam is associated with Sayankala, so Sayankala will be in Panchami Vibhakti. Last one, Vaishakha.
We can even say Sayankalataha Purvam.
Satyam. Last one, Vaishakha Chaitrat Paraha. Who wants to say what it means?
The month of Vaishak comes after the month of Chaitra.
So again, Paraha. So Paraha is associated with Vaishakha, Chaitra.
So in this, the wrong one is underlined, na? Bhanu Mode, just to...
Wrong one is underlined. Chaitra comes first, Vaishakha comes second. So Vaishakha, Satyam.
So underline is a mistake, no? That's a mistake.
Underline should be.
Sentence is correct, just the underline is wrong. Sentence is correct.
Sentence is correct. So Chaitrat should be underlined. If you switch the sentence, what will it be?
Pardon?
So after Chaitra, Vaishaka comes. It's correct. Paraha is after, no, Modya.
Vaishakataha Purvam Chaitra Agat.
It's Paraha. Paraha is after.
So we are talking two different things. So what Vijay Menon Mahodaya said is the underline should be for Chaitra, not Vaishaka. That's what he was saying. Sentence is correct. Meaning is correct. Chaitra is first. Vaishaka is next. So Vaishaka comes after Chaitra. That is what it is saying here.
So the Chaitra word will be the Panchami Vibhakti, right? Chaitra. Chaitrataha or Chaitrat. Okay.
So what is the word that is associated with para here? Chaitra. So that word which is associated with para will be in Panchami Vibhakti. If you want to say Chaitra comes before Vaishaka, how would we say that?
Chaitraha Vaishakhat Purvam.
Vaishakataha Purvam Chaitra.
Agantavyam.
We don't have to say Agantavyam and all of that. Just the same sentence, switch the order of the month.
Agachati.
Vaishakaha, Chaitraha, Vaishakataha Purvam.
Agachati.
Chaitraha Vaishakhat Purvam. Spashtam.
Mahodaya, it is Chaitrataha, otherwise it is Chaitrayaha, right? Not Chaitrat.
Chaitra Akaranta Strilinga. Chaitrayaha or Chaitrataha.
No, but then in the book it is written Chaitrat.
No. I take it back. Chaitrat. Why is it Chaitrat? Oh, maybe when it comes to a month, it will be Napumsakalinga. Chaitram, is it?
Vaishakaha is shown as a Pullinga.
Chaitra, when it comes to month, is it Napumsakalinga? Chaitra Masam, is it why it is Chaitra?
Only Chaitra.
It's a Pullinga.
Chaitra, Atra Pashyantu.
Chaitraha is a Pullinga.
Chaitraha, okay.
Atra Pashyantu, Chaitraha, month of Chaitra, it is Pumlinga.
Yeah, so it is Pullinga.
That's why it's Chaitrat, okay.
That's why it's Chaitra. But if you use it as a name, for example, our classmate Chaitra, so Akaranta Strilinga, Tatra. That is Astu. Spashtam va? Astu. So we can do the remaining as homework. So example 5, they are just using Roman numeral 5. They are just giving the form Sevakaha. For that Sevakat, Sevakabhyam, Sevakebhyaha. They are just asking us to write the Ekavachana and Bahuvachana form. We have studied that. Roman numeral 6. We just have to write instead of Saha, we have to use the appropriate Vibhakti form. Saha Gramat Gramaha. So instead of Gramataha, they are using Gramat. Gramaha is Ekavachana, Pumlinga. So that is why Gramat. So similarly for Chhatraha, for Sikshakaha, Ganapatihi, Saki, etc., we have to use the appropriate Vibhakti form. There they are making us practice the different Vibhakti forms.
Banu Mahodaya, we've not studied like Rukaranta and all that, right? So are we expected to learn this table before?
I will mark out the exceptions for which we have not studied. But after this class, we will study Ukaranta Pumlinga, Ikaranta Pumlinga, and Rukaranta Pumlinga, Strilinga, Napumsaka. We will study those.
Okay, thank you.
In the Dvivachana form also, we are not studied, right? Some of them.
For which one?
In the table, Ramataha is today we studied, but otherwise I think Ramat, then Ramebhyaha, that form we learned.
Ramabhyam. It's the same as Chaturthi. I think I mentioned that at the beginning. Okay. So in all three lingas, Panchami Dvivachana form is the same as Chaturthi Dvivachana form. Okay. Ramabhyam, Sitabhyam, and it's the same. The Bhyam ending is the same for all lingas. That's easy. Ramabhyam, Sitabhyam, Nadibhyam, Phalabhyam.
Or Tritiya, Chaturthi, and Panchami. All five, all three, right? Tritiya.
Correct. Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami. It's Bhyam, Bhyam, Bhyam for Dvivachana. Astu, we will do the Mangala Shlokam, and then if you have questions, I'll wait for a few minutes. You can ask me. Viraj Mahodaya, Krupaya Mangala Shlokam.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.